Walmart is the world's largest company by revenue, making over $600 billion annually. Its founder, Sam Walton, grew up poor on a farm during the Great Depression. Despite early discouragements, Walton built a vast retail empire. Walmart's rise is marked by controversy over unethical practices, including bribery and aggressive tactics that crushed competitors. Sam Walton, born in 1918, supported his family from a young age, doing various jobs during the Great Depression. His experience of financial struggle motivated him to pursue business. Walton studied economics and began a small but successful newspaper delivery business. After college, he joined J.C. Penney, but was considered a poor employee. During W. Walton served in the military police and met his future wife, Helen Robson, whose wealthy father loaned him money to start his first retail store in 1945. Walton bought a failing Ben Franklin franchise, revitalizing it by drastically cutting prices and sourcing cheaper goods. After losing his lease in Newport, Walton moved to Bentonville, Arkansas, and opened Walton's Five and Dime. He innovated with self-service shopping and aggressive cost-cutting, which proved successful. By the 1960s, Walton expanded to multiple stores and in 1962 opened the first Walmart in Rogers, Arkansas. Walmart grew rapidly, especially in rural areas, by offering unbeatable prices and vast selections, driving out local competitors. The company faced criticism for predatory pricing, low wages, and anti-union tactics. Despite these issues, Walton's strategies of cost reduction and efficient logistics fueled Walmart's growth. By 1990, Walmart had over 1,000 stores and was the largest retailer in the U.S. However, rapid expansion led to operational challenges, and the company's aggressive practices continued to draw criticism. Walton died in 1992, leaving Walmart a dominant but controversial retail giant.